Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals. A lot of clearance items on the appliance section. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribers and likes. Yeah, this one they do have some ATVs, UTVs, however you want to call them. Some side-by-sides. Alright, so you got the Eagle 15-inch string trimmer power load with the power load, $199. I was just looking at the prices, and these very similar to the Cobalt 40 Max. It does have the power load to the rapid load that they call it for $99. Obviously, for the price, I would definitely go with Eagle. If you're on the platform of the Cobalt platform, might as well stay there. But if you're just planning on just buying brand new to any of these platforms, definitely go with Eagle. You're getting the best bang for your buck, plus that rapid or auto load thing for the string, and you get some premium batteries with these. They do have one of the best batteries platform that they have on outdoor power equipment. So you got this one for $129. It's a pretty good deal on this one. It's 500 CFM according to what it says on the tag here. So $129 for that, down from $149. It is the kit, so it does include a battery and a charger. And then we got the Nexus power station. This was not on sale. I just wanted to show you guys because I never see these at my store. That's why it catches my attention. So $9.99. Yeah, it's $1,000. Really expensive, but it is worth it at the long run. If you're for backup, for quiet backup energy. Then you got the generators here. This is an 8000E. I believe that one does have the electric start, so it's a little bit more expensive. So that's $12.29. And then you got the Craftsman. These are a little bit cheaper, 6250 starting watts, 5000 running. So $7.49 for this one's 5000 watt generator. Then you got this one's a little smaller. So it's 125 pounds. It's a 3500 watt generator, $5.29. Alright, we got these clearance deals. You got 14-inch gas chainsaw Craftsman, $111, down from $149. It's a pretty good deal on this one. $169 down from $179, 16-inch, 42cc. Alright, you got this one's $188 down from $199. It's an 18-inch. So pretty good deals on these. I'm pretty sure they'll drop even more. $179 for the 15-inch brushless string trimmer. This is the older model, guys. This does not have the power load according to what the box says, but it does come with the 2.5 ampere battery. I would definitely pay the $20 more and just get the one with the power load. So definitely check it out. $299 for the 2x 20 volt mower, plus you get a free blower. So it's a pretty good deal for a smaller yard. Not necessarily, I would say, medium to small. And these are all the appliances that they had. They had a whole bunch of appliances. Just like this one's down to $2,000. This one's from $799 down to $596. And it tells you the details right there on the tag. It's a pretty good condition. Then you got this one. This is a $1,000. Was $2,000, $2,099. And then you got this one. This was the LG. Was $1,149. Now it's $574. It's a killer deal on this one. It says it's dented on the back, on the top. So I did not see the dents. Maybe a few scratches. Alright, so this one's $650 down from $10.99. I believe it's missing the bottom handle. Just take off the top handle and just have it, without any handles. $325 with this one. Was $1,299. So it's like a little smaller than your regular dryers. Then you got this one down from $474 from $949. So LG, great brand. These are really expensive. This is the time to buy or or obviously looking at your lobes, near the clearance section and the garden section. That's where I found these. So $4.74 on this one, $9.49 regular price. And it tells you at the bottom what's wrong with it or what's not wrong with it. A lot of them are displays like this one. I don't know if they include both of these with that price. It looks like it comes together. I don't know. And then we got this Whirlpool. These are really good models, top models. So $9.49 for this one, down to $4.74. Pretty good price on that. Definitely check it out. They had some other stuff there which I didn't want to show you guys because I was gonna take forever on this video. They had this box here. This is Braun Glacier series under cabinet, $117. And they had this washer, I believe, or dryer. So it tells you the details. Sometimes they put the pictures, they print out the pictures. And they got this fridge here, down from $23.49, it's down to $18.79. And this one's down to $5.96, down from $7.99. These are all factory sealed, guys. These are brand new. So $5.76 down from $7.99. Just clearing stuff that they have. This one, it says it's dented. It's down from $2,000 down to $7.69. That's a killer deal on this one. The dented, I could not see it, but then again, I was looking for it and I did see a little bit there at the bottom. You guys do see it. That's a really good deal for that one because the dent is not really visible. It's practically brand new, as you guys do see. So killer deal on that. Yeah, looks really good. So basically brand new. And then this one down to $70.99 from $9.99. Gas dryer. And then this was down from $4,000 down to $2,100. So this was the nicer fridges, the ones that you could see through. Really expensive fridges. Alright, so this is another section here, a clearance section, Cobalts. $8.98 down from $14.98. And they had this Eagle mower from $3.99, it's down to $3.39 because of the box is broken, according to what it says right there. You got 16-inch Rubbermaid garage stop there from $9.98. It's a pretty good deal there if you got drivers that need more help on that. You got $64.98, and then you got the winch here for $53.97 or $37. It's a pretty good deal on this one. If you got a side by side, it's a pretty good deal. Got the cargo carrier, $131 down for $139. So that's pretty good on this one. And then you got this one. This one's the bike rack, $35.57 down from $89. That's a really good deal on this one. I guess it's connected to the hinge. All right, you got the gloves here. There's a camel gloves for $2. It's pretty good, guys. I ended up picking 3 or 4 pairs to give out to my brother and other family members. Just cheap gloves there. And you got some clearance on these accessories for the vacuums. So down from $14. This was down from $17 to $5. So I always look at these sections if you guys are interested on these items. And there's a lot more. I'm not gonna go through all of these because there's a whole bunch of these different ones. You got the floor nozzle there for $8. Got the crevice tool for the car to do in between the seats. And then this box. This is the first time I see one of these open. So pretty nice. Just thought I wanted to show you guys what one of these boxes look like. It's the price $369. Then you got this one's the 3-piece auger, $24.98 down from $29. It's that one down there. And I did see a cheaper price there at the bottom. So this one's $19. even cheaper. Got a 6-speed spade bit set, $9.98, down from $14.98. It looks like that's it. And you got this Mac Blue Spider times 10 life, up to 100 times more. So $39.98 for this one. I don't know, those are the new ones. You got the reciprocating saw for $83 on clearance. You got $19.98 down from $24.98. Some drill bits. Got a Bosch Bulldog Extreme Max, $199 down from $262. It's actually a pretty good deal for somebody that's on the trades. $15.97 down from $39.98. That's a killer deal on this one. I should have gotten this one, but I already got too many. And this is the new one. I never seen this before. Maybe this is what's replacing the other one. So it's an auger bit there. It did not have any price. This one did have price. This was a 41 piece, down to $29.98 from $34.98, and then this one's down to $24.98 from $29.98. It's a 31 piece. This one's $249 down from $299. It's a 4-tool combo kit, 18 bolts. It's a pretty good deal for this one. Box is a little torn. Alright, you got this one's a 2-tool combo kit, $139. It's a pretty good deal on this one too. And you got this one for $99. Was $129. It's just a regular entry-level drill. Alright, you got the drill driver here, 18 bolts, brushless, $129. You got a skill circ saw, 7 1/4, $59.98. Alright, you got the vacuum. I don't see these vacuums all the time, so $119 for this vacuum. $9.97 for the drive bit set, 38 piece. These are pretty nice sets. So definitely check it out. Worth the $9. They had two different types of sets here. This one was the one that was on sale. And you got the drill doctor there for $99.98. So the same price. It hasn't lowered. It just had a yellow tag. I don't know if it had a greater price or bigger or more price. But you got a 1/2 inch drive socket set. These are big sockets, guys. This is 1 1/4, and that's the biggest it has. But yeah, this is a big socket set, $49.98. That's a pretty good deal on this one. We do a lot of suspension work and stuff like that. Same thing with this one's shallow. You got a homeowner's toolkit here, $93 up for $99. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.